Urban nature is one of the 3 trends for Spring-Summer 2017. The trend to nature continues. It is expressed in the coming season by earthy tones and natural materials that combine to modern, harmonious designs. Here we see wood in all its variations, combined with metal for floristry. In the kitchen as well, natural materials are absolutely essential. Natural tones dominate leatherwares and bags. Fine floral motifs can be seen in jewellery. And wooden clocks in all shapes and colors underscore the trend toward nature.